Good afternoon. We're in the queue. Tingnan nyo yung queue, ang taas. Nigo. Sending to Philippines. Make sure this one will arrive. You arrive first than this. So we count. You went there July, right? So we send there January, February, March, April. May. Last of May. So you're the one give them. This is for you, for you.
And then when the one that doesn't have, they'll be like, oh sorry, she did not buy for you.
No. Kasi, meron kasi kaming ginawa dito sa Colchester Town today. So, ni anak ko kay Lavi na magpunta